Greetings, everyone. In this tutorial video, I'll guide you through the process of training your own personalized AI model using Leonardo AI. To get started, simply open any web browser and navigate to Leonardo AI's website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in or sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main interface. To initiate the training process, head over to the Training and Data Sets section. Here, you'll find an option to create a new data set. Click on it and give your data set a suitable name. You can also provide a description if you wish, although it's optional. Once you've filled in the details, hit the Create Data Set button to proceed. Next, you'll need to upload images for your data set. Remember to use PNG or JPEG format for the images. After selecting your images, click on the Train Model button. Here, you'll name your model and select the desired training resolution. For the base model, choose the second option. You can also enter an instance prompt, although it's not mandatory. Once everything is set, click on Start Training. Now, sit back and wait for the training process to complete. You can monitor the progress by clicking on View Job Status. Once the training is finished, you'll be able to generate images using your trained model. To generate images, navigate to the AI Image Generation section and select the Fetch Model option. Choose your trained model from the list and proceed. Then, click on your model and select View. This will bring up the interface for generating images with your model. To generate an image, simply input a prompt and click on Generate. You can experiment with different prompts to see variations in the generated images. Your generated images will be displayed in the Generation History section. Training your own AI model can be a rewarding experience, especially when you see the results tailored to your preferences. The fine-tuning capability allows for precise customization, making it ideal for applications like concept art and game development. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.